Mortsafes were contraptions designed to protect graves from disturbance. Resurrectionists had supplied the schools of anatomy in Scotland since the early 18th century. This was due to the necessity for medical students to learn anatomy by attending dissections of human subjects, which was frustrated by the very limited allowance of dead bodies, for example the corpses of executed criminals, granted by the government, which controlled the supply. The authorities turned a blind eye to the grave rifling because surgeons and students were working to advance medical knowledge. They kept publicity to a minimum to prevent people from realizing what was happening. The cases of grave robbing that came to light caused riots, damage to property, and even fatal attacks. In the early 19th century, with the great increase in numbers of schools and students, there was continual rifling of lonely graveyards, fights in city burial grounds and other disturbances. Men were employed to steal bodies and transport them from place to place, even across the sea, for sale to medical schools. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.